I'm not sure if you will already know this, but just in case you don't, Canva now enables you to create your own QR codes from within Canva. So let's, for example, take our next Ripplefest Summit that's coming up very soon. So I went outside of Canva to create a QR code, and have just found out that I could actually create one from within Canva. So what you need to do to create your own QR code for your flyers or leaflets or books or chapters, whatever it is, if you've got something that's got a rather long link and it's too long for somebody to type in, then creating a QR code is a really good way of being able to drive people to things very quickly. And all they've got to do is scan it with the camera on their phone, and it will open up as a page on so whatever page you want to point people to on your website or another link, you can do it this way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down to the left hand side. You can see in the menu: design, elements, uploads, text, projects, photos, QR code, logos and apps. I've obviously got QR code in there because I've added it, but what you're going to do if you haven't got that is to click on apps, go right down to the bottom. Oh no, about halfway, and you'll see it says create something new. So what you're going to do is click on QR code, and it's going to add it to the side like it's done for mine. So what you're going to do is go to the URL. So if I go to let's have a look. I'm going to go to Ripplefest. Where's the next Ripplefest? Here we go. So this is the Kartra page. So basically, this is the page that I want to point people to, because it hasn't got its own unique URL. That would be a real pain in the backside to expect someone to type that in or type it in correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that link into this link here. That's now previewed a QR code. You can change the colors and things like that. So if I wanted to, I could make that my brand colors. What I'm going to do is just make the margin a little bit bigger, so you can see you can make the margin bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it so that it's a little bit wider. There we go. Then generate QR code. There you go. I now have the QR code without having to go out of Canva. I've got it there already. And so I can now place that QR code on the graphic. And just move these up a little bit. There you go. And so the beautiful thing about this is that actually I was using Bitly to create my QR codes. But the thing is, with many of the QR code creators, they only give you a certain amount of time for free using the QR code generator. So unless you start paying for it, you don't get it for a lifetime. So basically your QR code's going to run out after a certain period of time. So it's all right if you're only needing a QR code for a week, but if you're using a QR code on a long-term basis, you want to make sure you've got access to that for a long time. And so the great thing about doing it in Canva is that you can pull it straight in from Canva. So I was going outside and creating my QR codes, then pulling them into Canva. I now no longer have to do that, which is pretty cool. So I just wanted to show you that. And so if you are creating QR codes, now you know exactly how to do it the free and easy way.